anyị ma na oge nwafọ Igbo a ka ya bụ Oliver Dịkokwe nọ ife ọ na-eme ife o mere ebe ịkwalite asụsụ Igbo jiri ego wee bụ n'afọ ndị Igbo enuru ụwa niile anyị chọrọ ịmata ka o si dị gị oge ọ nọ ndụ na mmekọ gị na ya dịka nna.
Okay, Chief Oliver Dịkokwe bụ my dad. Nna m ka ọnụ amụrụ m, you know, and ọ mụ na-enọdịdị ọhụrụ, you know, in fact ọ na-aka nke ọhụrụ because oge ọ complain maka the house problem ọ mụ akpọjiri jee ụlọ ọgwụ mụ na the driver so I jebe from another place, you know, so
ọ na-aya bụ tupu ihe a eme ọ na-aya bụ ọya
mba ịma ọya na-akpọ cardiac arrest, you know, ọya nwere ike ime anytime, you know. Like if somebody that don't have very healthy, someone that don't want to see a line and ask him to don't go, you know. So he wasn't actually sick before he died, but all just that kind of thing, they had problem with him and came to Korea.
Sorry man, Darlington, I actually mata pom. Okay, Oliver on. Obunigo afọ ndị Igbo enjiri ego n'afọ. Kedu ka ị ga-esi kọwaa onye Oliver bụ dịka nna gị?
Okay, nna m bụ honorable the best father I'm in my life. Because man nwụrụ oge ndị form to man nwụrụ oge. So since that time, all you want to take care of me, you know. Ọ na-agba mbọ nne, na-agba mbọ nna, you know. So you must know the best out in the world.
Anyị chọrọ ịma ndị otu egwu ya kedu onye ga na-elekọtazi ya ị ga na-eso ị na-akwụ egwu ya
more na-etikwa egwu but you know like na-eti with hip hop I don't eti high life because you know high life requires you know
onye na-asụ
know how to sing, you know, speak Igbo very well, the idioms, proverbs, you know. So my dad now too very well carry on one how to you know. So okay, one I go hip hop, okay, the city life and all that, but I have
to get feeling.
Yes. Yes. No, at all. And the album happened after my daddy's burial. Because according to the tradition, that's now the whole team they are on hold. After the burial, then the whole team will not come out and market. You know, but right now, even brother they take my young brother Chinedu, who is my highlight right now. He's on stage there. You know now. Because and you know, in an area like this, you have seen me and you have seen my dad.
Okay, thank
you very much. All right, thanks. I appreciate it.